Canners. Today's video is going to be about how to find your passwords. This is a never-ending issue in my house. So you can use apps. There are some apps out there. I think my husband uses LastPass, things like that. It's also easy just to use your iPhone, and you're going to go to Settings, as we normally do, and then you're going to go down to the fifth. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth block of items and passwords is at the top. See it there? Once you choose that, you can search because you have so many, like I have over 500 different passwords saved here. And I do feel really secure that Apple has my back there. As you've seen on the news, they don't give it up for anything. So I actually just click on the item I'm looking for, and I'm not gonna do that today because I don't want you to see my passwords, but you're just gonna click on whatever app you're looking for or website you're looking for, and you can find your password right there easily. And it's not something you have to search for and try to figure out. You can also, up at the top, you can use the search bar for any of those websites since there are 500. Okay, that's today's Can lesson at your speed and your pace. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe below and let me know what you would like me to follow up on and what you would like me to train you on. Thanks, you guys have a great day.